morning, Ram fam, and welcome to this week's edition of the Saturday Spark. Hopefully can give you a little training inspiration for your Saturday morning meeting. Well, it's that time of the year. We got December to remember. Happy Honda holidays. Volkswagen's got sign and drive events. And we all know the Toyota-thon is on. And those are just a few of the holiday taglines that drive customers to submit leads and call your dealerships and ask about the vehicles on your lot. And with Black Friday less than a week away, your dealership's marketing, it's getting shoppers to pick up the phone and call your dealership. But did you know, ready for this? 71% of people who are calling your dealership are calling to make an appointment. Okay, but only 30% of them actually do it. So think about that. Most callers, they're already halfway to your showroom door, but you're leaving another 41% on the curb. That's not just a missed opportunity, it's a huge problem. And that's what we do here at Ram. We're gonna have solutions to fix this problem. So let's stop these leaks and turn those shoppers into what they wanna be, which is buyers in your showroom. A key lesson of this program is that conversions drive appointments and appointments drive sales. It's simple. So today, let's focus on the goal of every call and get the customer to the showroom. Sticking to the fundamentals, taking control of conversation by asking the right questions, building value in your dealership, having a sense of urgency, and taking every objection as an opportunity, not a rejection. That and the confidence that comes from knowing that 3 out of 4 people calling you want to make an appointment with you is all the confidence you need to take the control of the conversation right off the rip. Take control with the pack. Ask about what caught their eye about that new Mini, if they had a chance to test drive it, and what other vehicles they're looking at. Then create some urgency. Show your value by asking about their trade. Get excited to see it because it's the perfect transition vehicle for your customer, and that's why you have a professional appraiser paying more, sometimes a lot more. All of this signals to your customer that you're the right professional to work with. 3/4 of the calls you get want to make an appointment with you. So let's assume the appointment and make it sticky. When would be a good time for us to get together? Hey, as a matter of fact, what are you doing right now? And letting them know that you'll get those vehicles that we discussed, gas cleaned and put out front. That gets your show rates into the mid-high 70s, maybe even 80s. That's where it should be. For the rest of this month, this is what I want you to do. I want you to track every call. Have a piece of paper there and see out of every 10 calls, how many appointments are you setting and how many of those are showing. Managers, check up on this. Our goal isn't just to close the gap, it's to crush it. I want you to get out there, use everything you learn. Build curiosity, stay in control, and close with confidence. We are less than a week from Black Friday. Set the table for a killer holiday season. Get out there, crush it. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your families and loved ones, and I'll see you next week. Special Spark Friday.